Welcome back to We Are
The Foxy Girls.
I'm Shernette.
I'm Ava.
And today we're going on an adventure and we're taking you along with us for the ride. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and follow us on TikTok. With a quickness, girl.
You driving Bucko block me. So I play music in my phone every time you call. You cut out my music, okay? Stop calling. You cut out my music. Stop calling. I tell you.
And you mash up his arm.
I spend plenty money for my speakers in the back of the car. I pay $8,000. I'm like, what the? Hey, bro, just take off the damn thing. Do it. Go.
Okay. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps the night.
Hey, little boy. Hey, little boy. Hey, little boy.
Nourishment. Now girl, them horses robust. Okay, yeah. He's all from there.
And here on the right, we have the horses.
waiting. We're here now. As you can see the mud behind us. Why am I fit?
We're vloggers.
Come on, beautiful. Come on. Right here. Right here, this is the place right here. You know, right here we got all the price at the hotel, and we got everything they got in the hotel. And yeah, and plus you are supporting the community, the local people. See the hotel millionaire. So any support you are giving, we appreciate it, you know.
Okay.
You look around, we got plenty of stuff. That's Mamajuana. Mamajuana is a drink that you refill. You refill like when you got your own bottle. It's a aphrodisiac drink, like for your man. It worked real good for both. Listen.
Take a shot.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah.
Cheers.
Bottle. Like you see right here.
Mamajuana. It's almost like marijuana.
Like you see right here. Espérate un segundo. Cuando yo termine, yo lo llevo para afuera. You see right here, like when you got your own bottle.
That is nice.
He got 3 different kind of wood, 2 are medicine. See the little bag right there. And so for the gin is also medicine.
Okay.
You have to finger of honey. When you drink it up, you refill it. That one got 8 years. We refill it. We refill that one every day. Every day. You want another shot?
Okay.
We refill that every day. I'll give you a shot. My man.
So this is a different flavor?
No, they all the same. They all the same. All the bottle right there, we made it. They're all the same. They're all the same. And ain't no problem you taking it back to your country. No problem. Like you have 2 fingers of honey. You see it's got the same seed right there. The only thing that one got more time. Been there a year. 2 fingers of honey, half of rum, and the other half of red wine.
It is in the red wine.
Yeah,
And
the
you
red
let it
wine.
see, the next day it's good to go. When you drink it up, the same thing. Like you have to look around when it's souvenir, if you like, we got alcohol. And get your own please. If you want to buy any person for the family to take back home, anything, because you're not gonna carry nothing. That's the reason we give you time now. We offer you a free locker. You're not gonna pay.
Okay, great.
Free. You're buying everything on your way back. You're not gonna have enough time. So you are looking around now. We put them in a locker, free, and you are. See right here? Let me show you right here, mom. You see right here? This stone is named Larimar. Only in Dominican Republic. In the whole world, only Dominican got this kind of stone. With that stone, we made this. See all the blue right there? All the beautiful with silver.
Yeah, it is.
All the stuff. That's amber. Amber. That's pink quarter.
Okay.
Pink coral, all these beautiful.
And how much for those?
And that's silver. They got the
This one.
that's the one you like.
This one pretty. It's like an owl.
Look what I'm gonna do. Right? You pick what you like. In the end, I'm gonna give you a family prize. A prize that you're not gonna be mad, okay? If you don't like the prize, you don't buy it. But I'm gonna give you a prize that you're gonna like it.
I like that one.
Yeah. And we got the ring over here too. The earring. All right.
No, I don't like this kind of earring.
Oh, you know what you're gonna need? I forgot to tell you. Don't water shoe, because if you don't have, you're going to a cenote. You're making 3 stops. One stop is a cenote. It's a case under the ground with a neutral pole.
You need a shoe?
You see that picture on the bottom? He's gonna show you right now.
It's original stone,
I want to see
no plastic.
because
Yeah.
And look the silver. You have to see this in the silver too. This is the way you can see it's no metal. You see,
It's
it
no
won't change.
plastic.
It won't change color.
See, well, it's no plastic. We don't sell.
Like that, he make it to figure out.
Are your cigars locally made? Your cigars, they're locally made?
Yeah, it's yours.
Ah, okay.
Cuban and Dominican.
Okay.
Okay, wait to hang with
Él vive con un viejo, vale, que es increíble.
We are on the buggy after a lot of confusion about this payment. But we're about to start. So you will see us if we can record. If not, you'll see us after the fact. Now you girl is the buggy. Shoulder tired.
We outside.
I'm tired. My hand is tired holding up this phone. Okay, let me show the people there now. They can see we face. On the road! Noisy. Stop. Oh, I'm sure the people them the Stop.
I took it like something after this thing.
Still dust. No, hold on.
It's the fact that they get a free thing. I like that the people that carry us stay with us. That's cool.
Wow.
That the people that carry us stay with us.
I think they come to do the tour, you know?
No.
Okay.
Look at it.
You want me to drive? You want to stop so I can drive it?
You cannot stop, you're crazy. You have to stop when we go to the place.
Oh shit.
We're taking Cash App, Apple Pay, Zelle,
Oh, you want PayPal?
PayPal.
Okay.
We're taking everything. If you want to grab a painting too as well, it is very easy to bring it back. And
The
we're
coffee
taking
or the cocoa you want?
The chocolate.
chocolate one right here. Where you at?
I should get a mill and start to make it. They do, and Creole and Spanish and Dutch.
We say my thing.
Should I use my son. Ouch. I'm busting my head. How much for the pictures?
Well, the picture is that's another location.
Got it, got it.
Hey, little boy. We're going at the buggy, swinging from left to right. Andale, andale. We in the back. Look. We in the back. We in the back. He there telling us to come. He telling us, look, he telling us to come.
You need to speak Spanish.
You're right, we're going crazy because what the hell? My bag of coconut for life.
When they come to the all this car going to be all this not going to be coming up. Oh, if we go up and down, what's going to happen? Waiting.
Huh?
Waiting will happen if we ride up and down. Waiting would happen. You will turn over.
You don't say. You don't say.
I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Like, what do you think would happen?
They're going and we're leaving. Woo, woo. Boy, there's a lot of them by. Woo.
That's nice. You see how they're looking?
Yeah.
Their bug is nicer than these ones.
But those is a 4-seaters.
Oh.
Those maybe was $90. Okay.
These boys live in the life every day on this.
Look at that, that's 4-wheeler.
One day, one more.
And why the stay sharp? Because the ride.
For your phone. Yes, they have life jackets if you want to go and swim.
Wait, let me get my phone. Say that you're not going to swim, like I swim.
Oh, people could climb it here.
How you come out? Bang. Okay, so agua, and then bang. How you come back out? You go down. Come out.
We're going in a cave now. Small little mud. You see? I shouldn't even buy this. Look. Look. It's only steps coming down here. Yeah. You good, baby?
You good, baby?
Yeah.
See.
You're going in it? No, you can walk down and then jump off at the last step. No. No.
He said, why you
Why?
not going?
I know. No reason. I don't want to. No. You walk up on the rock. I want it. I want it. Excuse me. It's deep now.
But my thing is how you come back out. So you go in here.
Go on the rock. You're coming back out. You see they're walking on the rock? Huh? You not have blood dry in the place?
Hey, little boy.
Oh my God. You're scaring me, girl. You're scaring me. Thank you.
Vamos para adentro de una vez. Hey yo, my friend, go inside, go me.
Hey, little boy. Hey, little boy.
Say hola.
Press gas. Ándale. Ese no fue bien. Aftermath.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. We're done.
Yeah.
It was fun.
It was.
Epic.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like,
Comment and subscribe.
Anyway, come. See. Let me come back on that side.
So, the tire pop. The tire for this like truck thing that we're in, it just explode like a gunshot. So I don't know what the person going to do to fix it, or if maybe somebody else going to pick us up. But the tire pop.
Yeah. Anyway, it was a good time. There were some hiccups in the beginning, but we had a great time. Money well spent, I would say.
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah.
It was nice.
So,
bye.
Hey, little boy.